Hey guys, come check out this deck, pergola, and backyard renovation we just wrapped up. I'm Paul from Contact Renovations and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we have a backyard where the client really wanted to change things to make a space that's far more suitable for entertaining and generally spending quality time in the backyard in this urban setting. So we had an original deck that was quite a bit smaller, had room for the hot tub, but here we've expanded the footprint to give far more space to enjoy the deck. And we've incorporated a pergola in the design to provide some shade and create a cozy little spot to be able to really hang out and enjoy this backyard. Some of the key details here would be the privacy screens that were added to give some privacy from the neighbors. This is done in a very tasteful way, incorporating a screen system that's kind of staggered, along with some landscaping that adds for some new trees that will help to fill in the voids and create for some privacy. We also have a premium decking product here that's really beautiful. It's called Zuri. It's a capped PVC product. It's available in these beautiful exotic wood looks without the need for ongoing maintenance. And they have a really great nosing system that gives us really meaty, natural wood looking edge on your deck to really give you that natural look. Also within the pergola system here, we have incorporated lighting and gas to allow for the fire table in the center. The lighting was wired so you have easy access to control it from the home, and other details here within the overall layout to make this really remarkable space, safe to use, and something that you really want to share with your friends and invites you back out into your yard to take full advantage of it. If you have any questions about your project, please do reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Have a great day.